coders! In this video, we will talk about what is inheritance in Java, inheritance advantages, disadvantages, terminologies, inheritance syntax, type of inheritance, and examples. Object-oriented programming has four features: inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. In this video, our focus is about inheritance. Inheritance, when one object acquires all properties and behaviors of parent's object. The idea is that you create new classes based on existing classes. It has advantages such as extensibility, code reusability, information hiding, overriding of action, and to achieve runtime polymorphism. It also has disadvantages such as the classes are dependent on each other. It increases the time and effort to take to jump through different levels of the inheritance. These are terminologies in inheritance: class, subclass or child class, superclass or parent class, extends, and reusability. And here is the syntax of inheritance. The syntax starts with keyword class and followed by the class name, and then keyword extend, and then the superclass name. And between the curly braces, you put the methods and the fields. There are three types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Let's see it one by one. In single inheritance, when we have one class extended by another class. In this case, we have dog class that extend animal class. So the dog is the child class and the animal is the parent class. Let's see it in Java. In this program, I have two classes named animal that I will use it as a parent. And then the other one is class dog that I will use it as the child of the parent. That is why here I use keyword extends animal. It means this dog the child to animal class. This animal class has one variable and one method like this. The instance variable named food and one method named move. And then the dog has one method named eat. Here is the method of the dog. And then in the parent class, we can call the dog by creating the object of the dog. Dog d equal to new dog parenthesis like that. Since the dog extends the animal, now the dog can call the parent's method using the object. So it will look like this. And it can also call its own method, which is eat, like this. Let's see the result. Here is the result. Using dog object, I can call the move method, which is animal can move, and I can also call its own method, which is eat method. In multi-level inheritance, when we have three classes like this, where one class, which is puppy, extend dog class, and dog class extend animal class. Let's see it in Java. In this multi-level inheritance, I use the same example: animal class, dog class, and I put one more additional puppy class. Since we want to show multi-level inheritance, then puppy will extend the dog class and the dog extends the animal class. So we have multi-level inheritance. Let's say the puppy has one method named play, like this. Now the puppy has access to method belong to dog and also has access to a method belong to the animal. To do so, then we need to create the object for the puppy. Here is the object for the puppy. Now we can access the move method belong to the animal. We can also access the eat method belong to the dog, and we can also access the play method belong to itself. Let's see the result. As we can see here, pmove means call the move method belong to the animal, and then peat means call the eat method belong to the dog, and then pplay means call the play method belong to the puppy. And here is the result. In hierarchical inheritance, when we have one parent, animal in this case, has two children, dog and cat. so that dog extends animal and cat extends animal. Let's see it in Java. In hierarchical inheritance, I also use the same example, animal class and dog class. And I add one more, cat class. Cat class here extend animal class, so the animal is the parents of the cat. And dog here also extend animal, so the dog is the child of the animal. Suppose the cat has one method like this, meow method, and the dog has one method named bark method, and then animal has one method named move method. To be able for the dog and the cat to access the animal, once they have extends the animal, now we have to create the object for the dog and the cat. Here is the object for the dog and the object for the cat. Since the dog extends the animal, then the dog has access to move, and the dog has access also to bark, which is its own method. However, the dog doesn't have access to meow, which is belong to the cat. As you can see, there's an error here because the meow is not the parents of the dog, and the cat has access to the parent, which is move method, and then the cat also has access to its own method, which is meow. However, the cat doesn't have access to method belong to the dog. As you can see, there's an error here. Let's see the result. So here is the result. As we call demove, it means it calls the dog call move method. It display animal can move. And then when we call debark, means the dog calling the bark method, it display bark bark. And then when we call see move, means the cat calling move method, so it display animal can move. And then as we call see meow, means the cat call its own method, which is meow, that display cat meow. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.